everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to change your name on Tubi TV. So let's get started right away. Launch open a web browser and in the URL box type in tubitv.com and press enter. Doing this will take you to the official site for Tubi TV. Also make sure to log into your account, and once you are logged in, go ahead and mouse over to this little name appearing on the screen, which will then open up an expanded menu. Now select the account settings option and click on it. This will then take you to the My Accounts tab. Here, you can go ahead and edit your first name, your gender, email address, and your password. Simply go to the first name text box and type in your name you would want to change to, and click on Save, which will then save your change, and this will also change your name, which you can easily see at the top right. So that is how you can easily change your username or your display name on Tubi TV within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.